Hi, my name is Thomas Rice, Thomas W. Rice, and I'm a patient of Dr. Vohra's. January 29, 2008, I decided to come in here and to meet the staff and Dr. Vohra. And I didn't know what was going to happen, but basically what happened was I came in here and I found out that I was about to step into a new journey, a new life, new beginnings, that I went through weight loss surgery through Dr. Vohra, and now I'm coming up on my 16th year anniversary, and I'm maintaining a 220-pound weight loss through weight loss surgery, through the compassion of this office. I got my life back. I could exercise, I bike, I wear clothes today like I never thought I'd wear, like skinny jeans, and it's just such a fun journey to be sitting here 16 years later to help people. I'm here to also encourage anybody struggling with obesity as well. I really have gotten my life fully back to live a full life. And I'm grateful for Dr. Vohra and for the staff here, because you could feel the compassion here, you could feel the concerns and the connection that he really wants to help everyone. So come in and get consulted and see if this is your journey to have weight loss surgery in this new year, 2024. And I just say thank you. I can't wait to meet you.